Let's take a look at how to add light ray effect to your video with DaVinci Resolve Studio. So we're gonna go from this video to this video. Okay, so when I'm in DaVinci and I have my video loaded to video track, if I hit play, here is my video with no effects. And if I want to add light ray effect to this video, I navigate to effects, and in the search I type in light, and you should see an effect coming up called light rays. So drag and drop this on your video. Now navigate to inspector, and in here in appearance you can adjust the settings. So basically you want to increase the length to make it look as if the rays are coming through and hitting the ground, and then softness, so this is basically the sharpness of your rays. So if you leave it at 0, it's going to be very detailed, and you may want to increase the brightness a little, just like this. And now if you hit play again, this is the video with light rays coming through the trees. And that's it, as simple as that.